These are the official rules for Battle of the Books. The battle is 4 rounds of 5 questions. Teams will write their answers on the white erase board. One team member will act as a spokesperson and read the written answer. Only the written answer will be scored. Questions will range from 5 to 15 points. Each team gets the same question and has 30 seconds to answer 5-point questions and 1 minute to answer 10 and 15-point questions. Once time is up, students put the markers down. The answer is shown to the judges and the moderator. Boards cannot be erased until the answer has been reviewed. Each judge will score each answer individually. Their points will be totaled to determine the final scores. Points will be awarded to each team that responds correctly. Points for 10 and 15-point questions will be prorated in increments of 5 points, depending on the entirety of the answer. The judges' decisions will be final and binding. At the end of 4 rounds, if there is a tie between any of the teams, there will be a tiebreaker round between the tied teams. In the case of a tie, the winner will be decided by sudden death between the teams with the tie. Tie-breaking questions will be asked to the teams with the tie until one of the teams gets the correct answer and more points, and the others do not answer or answer incorrectly or partially. The tiebreaker round will continue between the teams with a tie until there is only one team left with the right answer.